आपको पर्सनली किस तरीके से रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहे फैन से?
I'm getting a lot of good response. Everyone has loved the video and my part in it. So a lot of people can even connect to the romantic song. So yeah, I'm getting a really good response.
Okay, we'd like to know more about when, like how you got this offer and how was your overall experience in the music album?
So it was during the lockdown, and T Series approached me for this. And when I heard the song, it was like, wow, I really loved it. And they told me it's Arman Malik, and it's going to be the shooting will be in Udaipur. So when I heard the script, it was so good. And even the girl part, I really could connect to her. So yeah, the shooting experience was really good.
Okay, as you said, it was shot in lockdown, so कितना risk feel हुआ था और how was that
बहुत
experience?
ज़्यादा. It was very risky, like shooting in Udaipur, and there was so much of crowd when we were shooting. A lot of people came around to view the shooting, and we were like, okay, is this COVID? And the whole traveling part, it was quite risky, but it should, like, we really wanted to shoot it, and I'm so glad the whole crew came across, and they supported us, and they were so hardworking. So yeah, the overall experience was really good, and the video has come out amazing.
Okay, when you got this offer, क्या कुछ thought process था? Like it was just a sudden decision or you took some time to think about it?
It after I heard the music, it was a sudden decision. But the only thing I was confused about was the COVID, the lockdown, and me traveling to Udaipur. But I really thought about it, and I was like, no, I don't want to miss this opportunity because the song, I knew that this is going to be really hit, and yeah, I went for it.
Okay, आपके साथ आसिम रियाज भी हैं इस म्यूजिक एल्बम में, उनके साथ काम करके आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
It was really good. He was an amazing co-star, and he was funny on the set, so we got along really well.
Okay, कुछ मस्ती वगैरह like obviously shooting में काफी कुछ fun elements होते हैं, तो कुछ यादें आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे हमारे साथ शूट एक्सपीरियंस की?
Masti as such nahi thi because it was a very serious kind of shoot, and we both were in the character, and it was like with him, I was into some other guy, and he really liked me. So even for me, I had to be in the character, and that I'm in love with someone else, and I had to make him jealous, and at one time I'm sad, and the other time I'm also kind of falling for him. So I think I was just in this serious zone during the whole shoot.
ये like it's a romantic heartbreak song और story line भी इतनी अच्छे से properly picturized हुई है.
Yeah.
अरमान की इतनी beautiful soulful voice है. जब final result आया था, what was your reaction?
My reaction was wow when I saw the music, the video, sorry. It was so good. The colors, everything has looked so amazing. Udaipur has looked so beautiful. And when I saw the whole painting room, I was like, wow, this is captured so beautifully.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, like अरमान काफी अच्छे सिंगर हैं और काफी उन्हें ऑफर भी आते रहते हैं एज एन एक्टर, तो कभी आप एज एन एक्टर उनके साथ काम करना चाहेंगे?
Of course, if it depends on the role. I haven't seen him acting. I mean, I've heard his music, so his voice is really good. Maybe like he might get a role in which he is singing. So in that sort of web series or a music or a movie, that would look good.
Okay, when the song was going trending on like in internet, Twitter पे भी काफी trend हुआ था. Family का क्या कुछ reaction था?
Okay, so the day my mom saw the video, she had tears in her eyes. I don't know why. She was like, this is, I really loved it. But probably my accident in the end, and she was like, really, she cried a bit. But they all loved it. My sister loved it, and my family really liked it.
Okay, आसिम रियाज के साथ आपकी का ये पूरा शूटिंग पीरियड पूरा गया है बहन का. उनके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? Any secret about
Okay, so there is a secret about him that he works out during the night. So, like our call time was at 5 a.m. and he was like, oh, I did not sleep. I was working out the whole night. And I was like, okay, wow, that is like, he is really motivated for his fitness.
ओके साक्षी बहन तो काफी अच्छे से लाइक जा रहा है, लोगों को पसंद भी आ रहा है. एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट इन द पाइपलाइन?
There is, but you guys will get to know about it soon.
More
Yeah.
collaboration with T-Series will be seen ahead?
Yeah, it depends if the everything goes well. So
But I want to know T-Series के साथ ये collaboration आपका overall कैसा रहा?
it was very good. The whole team, the team of director and the whole marketing team has been really good. Everyone has been very supportive, and everyone came through. You know, it was like during the tough times, COVID was going on, and I was surprised. The makeup artist, the director, everyone was so like into it that they wanted to create something really good. And yeah, that's what motivated me to really put my 100% in it.
Okay, lastly, अगर like it's going super duper hit, if you are comfortable, can you sing like 2 lines?
Oh no, no, I'm really bad at singing. Don't even ask me. I can dance. I might like do a dance cover on the song, but no singing for me. That is advanced job.
Okay, we'll do that then.
Yeah.
Dance.
Not right now. I mean, I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna ask my choreographer to, you know, make a cover for me, and then maybe I'll post it on my Instagram soon.
Okay, lastly, what do you want to say to all the fans who has given a lot of love to your song?
Thank you so much, everyone. I mean, everyone has been listening to the song religiously, and they all are loving it. So I'm really glad that you all loved it, loved our whole video, our song, and thank you so much for your love and support.
Thank you.
Thank you.